Good morning. Good morning. It's September 2022. 11 years ago, I won my trial. I was found innocent of all charges. I can't go into a movie theater and holler fire if ain't no fire. You feel me? I can't go into a movie theater and holler fire if ain't no fire. Scott Shellenberger told the world that I was a terrorist. Scott Shellenberger said that toilet was a bomb. That toilet represents the Democratic Party and how you treat the black community. The only time you want to talk to us is when you want our vote. I was making a documentary about the war on drugs, N62528, State of Illinois versus Dwayne Davis, 1986. Shorties is an acronym. It's the self-help organization for the redevelopment, re-education of the young. It's a non-profit. It was established in 1985. If you go to the state of Illinois, check the registry for nonprofits. I was established in 1985. You locked up a nonprofit in 1986 and you stole property. You stole property from a nonprofit. I had 300 members. And those 300 members, you locked up a percentage of my 300 members. In 1986, you took my membership. I had 300 members. You locked me up, charged me with shooting up the town. It was about ending the war on drugs. It was about the violence. And then you locked up my membership. That makes it a class action lawsuit. In 2006, I decided to make a movie about it. Because y'all made money off The Wire. You made money off of homicide, but you ain't make the money didn't go back into the communities. So I figured I'd make a movie called Get Shorty. Gov.O'Malley approved it in 2006. So since 2006, everything that Scott Shellenberger did, reversed and remanded. The same way that you went after the gun task force, you got to go after Judge Turnbull, Judge Pearson, Judge Souter, Judge Holland, Judge Janae, Judge Boris, Judge Bridges. You feel me? I'm coming after your courts. There ain't no law against making a movie. It is a law against kidnapping. I didn't holler bomb. Shellenberger did. I hollered movie. I hollered lights, camera, action. I'm an honorably discharged veteran of the United States Navy. I took an oath to defend my country against all terrorists, foreign and domestic. Your police department of domestic terrorists. Right here. Honorably discharged. See that? Peter J. Heckman. These are criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger because kidnapping is against the law. Alright? And these are the individuals that know about it. Adrian Jones, Department of Justice. And that's 2021, April. I'm an activist. I'm not a terrorist. And I put it all in a book. I'm a member of Out for Justice. I get out to vote. This is DD Shortman at AOL.com. Everything from DD Shortman at AOL.com since 2006 is evidence for a federal investigation. That's John Cardin's. That's Jerome Stevens from Senator Cardin's office. That's the Maryland Black Caucus. You feel me? I'm showing you the haves versus the have-nots. Shellenberger should have did this in 2008. Federal and state audit. Violations. Bank of America. SunTrust Bank. I'm showing you the money y'all was making off of stop and frisk and zero tolerance. I'm showing you the corruption in your courts. That's May 2008. Y'all filed false papers with the court. See that? We don't want no misunderstandings. That's notarized. Baltimore City. Dwayne G. Davis. 7904 Jody Knoll Road. We talking about Bank of America. SunTrust Bank. 2008. 2009. 2010. 11. 12. Yeah, till this date. Y'all stole money from me. You feel me? That's my business account. Shorty's Underground Ribs, like the Underground Railroad. You stole money from a nonprofit and you stole money from my business. I was born in 1959. I wasn't born yesterday. That's Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court. Because he told me to file a writ of certiorari. That's the Department of Justice. Eric Barron. And right here, that's Mr. Demandis from the Board of Elections. If you go to the Board of Elections, they had this. You see when they had this? July, long before the elections. So y'all got voter suppression by the Democratic Party. That's the State Board of Elections. Ex-felons can vote. We got a right to vote. You feel me? We got a right to vote. And I'm part of my activism. That's the United States Senate. 2013. Senator Hardin's office. I told y'all I was making a documentary. Dear Miss Gion, this is my whistleblower's application, exposing racism, corruption in the courts concerning the prison industry. The state of Maryland refuses to return my truck, my computer, camera, videos, and diaries from 1986, and daily logs from 2006 to 2010. Director of the ACLU, Washington, D.C. told me what to do. It's a documentary, and everything's documented. See the date? Y'all sign for that. You feel me? Out for justice. That's me. I'm the cook in Baltimore. That's Governor O'Malley and Mr. McGee, parole and probation. This is a Registered Attorney Disciplinary Committee in Chicago. And these are my lawyers. Michael Waller, Karen Levy, and Ken LaRue. Alright? Y'all gonna have to have these cases reversed and remanded. This is the property you took from me in 2011. You see that? 9/15, September 29th. 11 years. It's a phony bomb threat. You feel me? Art and activism, because I'm an activist. And my activism is documented in Baltimore. That's at the Creative Alliance. That's city paper. You feel me? And that's States Attorney Mosby. She got this. 2021, June of 2021. Her trial is coming up. This is evidence for her trial. You see right here? David Kamenetz, U.S. Courts, Al Redmer, Maryland Insurance Company. You feel me? You see everybody here? Teresa Davis, my sister. Nicole Hansen. Doug Colbert, University of Baltimore Law Department. You feel me? Karen York, Job Opportunity Task Force. You see everybody here? Tom Lewis, Johns Hopkins University. Ken LaRue. Baltimore County States Attorney's Office. Y'all got this. Case number 07C at 4, directly addressing the war on drugs. My case is used as On April 7, 2007, I contacted Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court. Y'all got this, and my family signed off on this in 2018. That's my sister Rosemary, my sister Teresa. Yeah, these is my family members. We signed off on this. That's Best the Book Bus. We gave out over 1 million books. And I'm getting ready to put this in a book. Like I said, that's notarized. That's the city. Notary. You feel me? Notarized. Release all material to the voters. We talking about Governor O'Malley and Mr. McGee. Parole and probation. We talking about everything that Theroux knew. Baltimore's biggest loser. Town hall, community in crisis. I'm an activist. I'm not a terrorist. I didn't pull the alarm. Scott Shellenberger did. It wasn't no fire. It wasn't a bomb. It was a toilet. And we getting ready to flush careers. So before the November, y'all got 50 days till election. Y'all got 50 days to give me my freedom. Y'all got 50 days to give me what belongs to me. My criminal charges is in Marilyn Mosby's office. My criminal charges is in Eric Barron's office. My criminal charges is in Stephanie Smith's office. My criminal charges is in Governor Hogan's hands. My criminal charges is in Peter Franco's hands. My criminal charges is out there. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? 2022, we gonna see.